Welcome back to another screen protector roundup. I tested 29 different screen protectors to bring you the top 5 products that excel in oleophobic coatings, fit, installation tools, impact resistance, edge strength, and scratch protection. Think they're ready for this review, Monty? Now, in no particular order, here are the top 5 screen protectors. The ESR Armorite offers incredible performance and value for your money if you can get onto your iPhone correctly. The D brand tempered glass actually makes the cut. Yes, a brand known for stickers also makes outstanding screen protectors. The jack of all trades, the FlowLab Nano Armor 3 also made the cut, as it's one of the easiest screen protectors to install. Now, in a surprising turn of events, the approx Alpha glass, not the amplified glass, make the cut as well. Finally, the Zag Glass Elite. Yes, I know, it's just the Elite version, not the XTR2. These are the top 5. I'm going to quickly step through the testing methods and then rank these for you. Now, to determine the best screen protectors on the market, Monty and I performed various tests, which included measuring water droplets to test the oleophobic coating, figuring out the coverage by, well, just measuring stuff, ranking installation tools because a dust-free install is definitely worth it. We tested durability by measuring the impact using a force meter and a metal punch, as well as figuring out how many companies are lying about their 9/8 scratch protection. Oh, and this time we introduced edge strength testing. This is something I've been wanting to do for the last 4 years, and I've finally gotten the process down. From my perspective, the strength of the edge is definitely going to be indicative of the quality of the product. Companies with better products will spend a lot more time polishing their edges, which means they're stronger. Yes, that's right, Monty. It takes more time and effort to do that, which is why they cost more. So that's the testing procedure. If you want to know more information about how I performed the test, well, check out the links in the bio. Also, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions or you want to share some of your experiences with some of the screen protectors that you used in the last while, well, let me know. To keep this video short, I'm going to do the top 5 in the video, but we'll lay down the top 10 in the description section. Number 5 goes to the Zag Glass Elite. This is a really reliable choice with a superior oleophobic coating, especially when compared to the XTR2. So yeah. Number 4 goes to the approx Alpha glass. This is actually, from our testing, stronger than the amplified. So that's weird. The oleophobic coating on the product is great, and installing the Alpha glass is also a cinch with OtterBox install tools. Number 3 goes to the ESR Armorite, and this was the biggest surprise to me. Armorite is wallet friendly, especially when you consider the impressive glass strength. It actually has the strongest edge on the glass screen protector that we've tested. And that's really surprising considering it's ESR, it's a budget brand. So if you're planning on getting one of these, make sure you use my links. Where are they? In the description section. Number 2 goes to the sticker company. The D brand tempered glass has edges that are almost as strong as the ESR Armorite, but has better coverage, which makes it a great choice for your devices. Especially if you're planning on buying stickers from them, just get some screen protectors. And number 1 goes to the Nano Armor 3x FlowLab. This is the overall winner. It's kind of the jack of all trades, and the biggest thing for me is the top-notch installation tools. If you get the one-time version, it is so easy to install your screen protector. It's not the cheapest product that you can get on your list, but you do get what you pay for. Now, if you need more information, there are links in the description section below, as well as I'll pump some information into the comments section. But you gotta remember, you gotta focus on what's important to you when it comes to a screen protector. For example, if you're on a budget, go with the ESR Armorite. This is the best bang for your buck. But if you want something that is less greasy, go FlowLab. This install frame is pretty cool. And if you want the product with the best warranty, hard to beat these guys. My personal preference is to keep my iPhone screen as scratch-free as possible, which means you'll have to get a sapphire screen protector. Now, these guys didn't break into top 5. They're just not as durable as the other products. Now, before you go, make sure you check out our cheap versus expensive screen protector video. That's dropping soon. Over the next week or so, I'm going to be doing a series of short form videos covering each of the top screen protectors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This is the first time you're watching one of my videos. See you in the next video. Get out of here.